In this video, we will learn how to add Stripe payment details to MS Excel automatically. So let's say you are selling something using Stripe payment gateway. Now, as soon as the payment is received, you want to add the same payment details automatically and instantly to MS Excel so that you can maintain a record for the things like customer name, customer email, the payment amount, etc. To do this automation, I just need to connect Stripe and MS Excel with the help of an automation software, and believe me, anyone can create this automation for their business. Just follow this tutorial till end. So this is the website of that automation software Pabbly Connect, with which we are going to connect Stripe and MS Excel. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I have also attached the link in description box. Now if you are a new user, create your free account where you will get free task to test this automation. I am already an existing user, that is why I am clicking on signing and then clicking on access now, and you will see I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, from where I'm going to start creating my automation. So this is the blue button, create workflow. Click on that and give any random name to your workflow, to your automation. I am giving the name as Stripe to MS Excel automation. Okay, so this is the name I have given. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action, and our automation is going to work on these two principles. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So basically, we need to select the application in which we need to set the automations. Let me tell you with an example. Whenever the form is submitted, let's say Google Forms application, share a file via Google Drive application. According to our use case, whenever the payment is received in Stripe application, add the details in MS Excel. So that is why here in the first application, I'm going to choose Stripe. And in trigger event, of course, I want that whenever the payment is captured, well, the payment is captured is equal to new charge. That is why I have selected this. And you can see a webhook URL is provided, with the help of which I'm going to connect Stripe and Pabbly Connect first. Okay, so this is the URL and these are the instructions given. Go to dashboard and then webhook settings section. So I'm going to click on this particular link and I'm already logged into the Stripe account. That is why it will take me directly to the webhook section. Okay, let me again copy it and going here, Stripe section, and this is the webhook section. Here you can see several other webhooks are also added. I'm going to click on this add endpoint button, but before I add this webhook URL, let me show you. I'm building up this connection just to show you how the connections can be made in between Stripe and MS Excel. That is why I have enabled this to test mode. Okay, and let's click on this button. Paste the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect. It is optional, I'm leaving it, and select the event. Which event? Well, the charge succeeded event. Okay, where it is, and you can see here is the charge succeeded. Click on add event and finally click on this add endpoint button and you will see the webhook URL will be saved here. This means that the Stripe is connected with Pabbly Connect. So what it is asking, let's check. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record set that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking us to do our test submission, and here in Stripe the test submission means the test payment, so that when I will make a test payment, the details can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so let's go back to the Stripe payment gateway. Okay, and here are the products, and let me open a particular product. This is the webinar on YouTube marketing. Okay, let me open the payment link, view payment link, copy, open it in a new tab. And from here I'm going to make just a dummy payment. Okay, so assume that a dummy user is making a payment. The email address is admin@pabblytuts.com. the name of the person is, let's say, dummy user only. Okay, asking for address. All right, let me add the address as well. Okay, I've added it. Let me correct it. Now it is asking for the city is the Bhopal. Okay. Now pin code is any random again. All right. The state is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And finally the number, just a random number. Okay, I have added number. Now it is asking for the payment details. Again, I'm going to add the test card. Okay, this is the detail of the test card, not the real payment. Add any random date and random CVV. Click on pay now. Now I will wait for this payment to be successful, and then I will be waiting. I'm going to check whether this particular response is getting captured in Pabbly Connect or not. Thank you for the payment. Going back, and let's see whether the response is received or not. Yes, the response is received, and you can see the details are here. Let me show you the details one by one. You can see here is the city here, the state is here, and the pin code is here, email address, the name of the customer, every detail is here. Okay, so that means the first step of our integration is successful. Now I am going to add the same details to MS Excel as well. How? Choose the second application as Microsoft Excel, and here action event will be add row to worksheet. So I want to add a row to the worksheet so that the details can be added to that particular row, and I'm going to select the existing connection. You can choose select add a new connection, connect with Microsoft Excel, and provide your Outlook account in which you have created your worksheet. Okay, I'm going to choose select existing connection, click on save, and you will see I will be immediately connected with Microsoft Excel as well. Now first thing it is asking is the workbook. What are workbook? Well, I have created several files in my OneDrive account, you can see, and all of them are actually visible here in the drop down. I'm going to select which one. Well, I have created this particular workbook, payment details captured via Stripe. So I'm going to select the same payment details. Let me search for it directly. Okay, payment details captured via Stripe. Now it is asking for the worksheet. Well, I have just a single sheet here and it is already selected. Now column A, B, C, D, E. What are these? Well, you can see I have added 5 columns in my worksheet, and because this particular sheet is connected with Pabbly Connect, that is why the same column names are visible here. So basically we need to fill the data in the column from where we are going to map. We are going to fill this particular data here in these fields, but don't worry, we don't need to copy and paste it here. Okay, when you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. You just need to find it. Okay, it is asking for the name, so this is the name. Okay, dummy user. Now it is asking for the customer email. Where is the email address? Let me search for it. Okay, all right, where's the email address? Here is the email address, admin@pabblytudes.com, asking for the amount. Let me again search for it. The amount is here. Okay, it has captured, it has actually ignored the decimal. Okay, that is why it is showing 2 extra 0. Okay, currency, again search for it. Okay, here's the currency, and now finally the amount. Well, I think I have added 2 field as amount. Let me cross check it. Yes, you can see amount. Don't worry, you can simply delete this particular column if you want and refresh, actually reconnect it and refresh it, and you will see this particular column will be removed from here. For now I am going to actually map the amount. Okay, so let me map it. Now let's click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response. So the response is received and it is clearly showing that the data has been added. Let's go back and let me refresh my worksheet. And you can see the data is added automatically to this particular sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now onwards, whenever the payment will be received, a new payment is received, the payment details will be automatically added to Microsoft Excel, and this is how you can also create this automation. In case you want to clone this particular workflow, I am going to attach the shareable link of this particular workflow in my description box so that you can clone it into your account, that too for free. And lots of people ask me that do they really need to do this particular settings again and again? So let me tell you, once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect because the automation will work in backend. The Pabbly Connect will do its job in backend. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.